Good morning. Well, I'm starting to get back in the swing of things. I think I've kind of claimed this purse. I'm not sure where this is going to fall in my video lineup, but as I mentioned the other day, I have a lot of themed sales coming up. I've now been asked to do a Halloween train, like I said. Of course, I have my cat train, which may or may not have already happened by the time this posts. I'm not sure. Kind of winging it. And I've added an under the sea kind of theme, back to the beach. And of course I have poodles. I got all kinds of stuff going on. So let's go in. I'm having a really good time looking for specific stuff. I'm back at yesteryear. I'm gonna do a few stops today. Not sure what the day holds, but I'm excited to be back in action. So, as I mentioned, I'm working on an event called 12 Days of Christmas, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's 12 days, the 1st to the 12th of December, where I'm going to be doing themed shows. And one of them, I'm thinking, is going to be an elephant theme, white elephant, and there's going to be little gadgets in the buy it now section, and then the whole auction section is going to be elephant. So I went ahead and I picked up a couple of these lucite elephants. I love this little mini one. Now, I don't normally pick these up because I find them to be quite overpriced most of the time, but at $3, I feel like they'll keep my cost average down, which is great. We love that. And, you know, I had to pick up this cat one because it's epic. And another one of those themes is going to be Christmas ephemera. So it might be kind of crazy sounding that I'm working on something that's happening in December and August, but the time sneaks up fast. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that little Christmas dog postcard if it's in good condition. Super cute. Now, they still have a bunch of these chalkware fish in here. That one's $58 for the pair. It looks like it's been marked down. Of course, I have my ocean themed. There is 30% off. So I'm gonna do the math on those pink ones. These ones are $50. Those are cool too. Let me see what the cost comes out to. Can't do it in my head. I know that's kind of embarrassing. So the pink ones come out to like 21 bucks each, basically, or $20.50 each. And the rainbow one come out to $17.50 each. I might take a look at both of those. Now, another theme we have going on. I know I'm spewing a lot of information going on. Ooh, lucite seashell. We'll probably have to grab that for the ocean theme. And turtle, okay. Wow, this is gonna fill up quicker than I thought. And the seashell elephant. The seashell figurines don't usually sell that well for me, but that one's pretty epic. I might consider it. What was I saying? I was saying something. Oh yeah, another one is bunch of viewers have asked me to do a bangle show. So for my birthday in October, I'm gonna do Kate's birthday blowout bangle bash, where it's gonna be bangles only. So gotta get ready for that as well. Yeah, there's a bunch in here. This is gonna take a while. I might not get to as many stops today as I thought. I just realized too that my camera was on some kind of weird speed setting. Now that probably weighs about 100 pounds, the jellyfish. It's very cool. I wish I could grab that for the ocean theme sale, but it might be a little too heavy. Plus, I feel like my glass paperweights have not done well. I've had a couple recently and I've been stuck with a lot of them. Another theme I'm working on is Blue Christmas for the 12 days, where it's not actually Christmas themed, it's just everything blue. So I'm a little overwhelmed by how many fun things I'm finding. This is one of the reasons I love coming here. They have so much stuff up my alley. And oh my gosh, look at this freaking vase. I'm just noticing how tall that is. So let's get some keys. Oh, wait, I should probably finish the cases first. Oh, I'm kind of kicking myself because a couple weeks ago I was here and they had these really cool little Halloween toys. And they were a little bit newer than I'd like them. So I didn't grab them, especially because Halloween's not my thing. And now I'm doing the Halloween train, and I'm like, dang, they've all sold. Which is not a surprise, because, of course, Halloween is incredibly collectible and can be pretty hard to find. And I remember they were at pretty decent prices, too. snooze you lose, right? I'm also now just noticing this funky necklace with the Bakelite chunks. That's pretty cool. $40 and 30% off. Super fair for a collector. I think it might be a little bit more than I'd like to pay for resale. I'd probably end up trying to like sneak that into my personal collection, and I don't really need it. Every time I buy necklaces, I swear I never wear them. I have one green lucite one that I got that I just can't part with, but I still have yet to wear it. And of course, I'm just now seeing right in front of me is the Dietz Jack-o'-lantern battery operated lantern, which it's no surprise I didn't notice because, like I said, Halloween's not my thing, but it comes to like $17 and some change. So I think that will be perfect for the Halloween train. All right, so I got a huge basket of stuff. I got a bunch of cool elephant stuff. I got a bunch of bracelets. I did pick up the pink fish. I got a couple things. I got one for my pink sale, one for my blue sale, turtles, all kinds of good stuff for these themes. Now, another thing I don't think I'll ever quite understand is the difference between the prices in all these peanut butter glasses. However, the Hollyberry one, after the discount, comes to like $6.50. I kind of want to grab that, even though it doesn't really fit into any of my themes. But again, I'm kind of unfamiliar with the way those work. This is kind of neat, isn't it? This looks like it might be older too. Purple lips brooch, $2 and 30% off. Well, I kind of just have to grab that on principle. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but seems necessary. Let's see, what else is down here? I guess I should also be thinking about Santa Claus, because I'm doing, this is China. This is, a lot of these, like this one's newer, but made to look like one of the older ones. I always try to be careful of those. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, speaking of broken. It's missing a leg, but how fabulous. $4 and 30% off. I wonder if someone could fix that. He sell for really good money. Kind of love him. Oh my gosh, I feel like sacrilegious putting that back. Again, I'm looking for very specific stuff, and I guess whatever catches my eye along the way. So when I say I should be thinking about Santa, one of my other ideas for one of the days of Christmas was Santa Baby, which would be Santas and Cupies. I was like, I can't do all Santa. I have to do something to make it different. So Santas and Cupies, I like it. And this is one of those little Boyd's fish. I don't normally get stuff like this, but I think this is awesome. After the discount, it comes to $8. I feel like I'd get my $8 back. I'm not really familiar. Maybe I should Google it just in case. So it might be a little close for me personally, just because my stuff like this doesn't, you know, I'm more of the kitschy person, but I kind of love the color on this, and I don't have that much longer to source for stuff, and plus it's fun to switch it up. I don't want it to be like an all chalkware fish show at the end of the day, right? Well, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get rid of this. This might be just for me. It is $8 and 20% off, and it's got my name written all over it. How cool are these little cast metal mailbox salt and pepper shakers? I'm really trying to stay on track though, because I've got a lot of themes going through my head. And once I get distracted, I feel like there's not much coming back from that. And now we're talking. So these are amazing die cuts, and they're $12 and 20% off. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take all four, right? They look in pretty good condition. Just in case you're wondering, the answer is definitely yes. And what's going on over here? Bag of light covers. Those are probably on the new side, if not brand new. Yeah, they are new. Cookie cutters. I don't want to get too out there. I do want to stick to my own aesthetic. Those die cuts are freaking rad though. I really appreciate those, even though I'm not the biggest Halloween-y person. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this. Anthropomorphic fruit, so fun. So I know Christmas ephemera isn't my usual go-to, but another thing that I thought was important to think about when doing 12 live shows back to back to back was weight class for shipping. Because obviously if one person's paying, you know, $10 or whatever to ship something ceramic, they're not going to want to pay $10 the exact next day. So I tried to make it so in my schedule that that's pretty, but I'm kind of trying to set my bar a little higher right now. The weight class, like I said. So first class, this is like the cheapest thing you can find is sending a little paper card. So I thought that would be helpful. I think this might take both hands. And I'm thinking I'm gonna grab that snowman brooch. Oh, that's kind of neat. It looks like that, what is it, Michael Woods or whatever? I can't remember. But the thing is, sorry, I got a text and I got distracted. Oh yeah, the thing is why I'm starting now is because it's so hard to find some of this stuff. And I think one of the things I'm gonna do is a snowman sale. And we all know how hard snowmen are to find. So I'm gonna grab that brooch. It's $7. Yeah, I went ahead and got the key. It's gonna be called the Let It Snow Snowman Show. Well, this caught my attention. You know, I love my slide glass. Love birds. That's sweet. I wonder, huh, 12 bucks. I don't think there's a discount in this booth. I feel like that's a pretty good price though. I'm gonna Google it just because it's not really my thing. I'm really trying to switch it up in the future. Yeah, so it looks like the cheapest one is listed at like $28 online right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. I think I'll do well on it. And again, it might seem a little nuts that I'm holding on to some of this stuff until December, but it gives me enough time to make it extra epic. Well, unfortunately, I finally realized why this was so cheap. It does have a crack in it, so put it back. Well, there's all kinds of ocean-themed stuff here, and it's 35% off. This is really neat. Interesting. Deborah Swagger vase. Not really my thing, but I really like the looks of that. Now, I am going to go ahead and snag this little timer, right? Oh my gosh, I have to get away from this person on speakerphone. It's the worst thing in the world to me. This is $5 and 30% off, so I can't tell how old it is though. But I feel like for that price, why not, right? Now, this is interesting too. I did think it was gonna be newer, but it's Otajiri Japan. It comes to like $7. It's not really my thing though. I know I love my Otajiri, but these are really cool. Definitely on the newer side. Oh my gosh, look at this guy, that's wild. Now this Talkware dog, $15. He's in like pristine condition, it looks like. Do I want to ship that? I'm not sure if I want to ship that. Hey, look, they have a soccer ball. I have the basketball one. Yeah, I think he's a little bit bigger than I'd like. That's a good. Ooh, we got another $9.50. That's an awesome price. I've had a lot of those recently. Looking for something a little different. Now, this is one of the booths I was really looking forward to going through. This is so cool. 25. Okay, so this one is marked firm. I think it might be a little bit. I actually have no idea. Maybe I should look this up. This is very, very cool. Very cool. Wow. Vintage Carolina blow mold cat. I think I'm gonna look those up. They're probably close, and I feel weird spending that much, but my cost average has been pretty good so far for my Halloween train sale. Wow, there's a lot going on here. This is exactly where I wanted to be. Yeah, oh my gosh, I'm gonna go through this stuff and get back to you. Oh, little. Not what I thought, but cute. It's cool. All right, let's see what we got. So I've kind of decided it's too cool to not get. I might be overpaying, But what I think I'm gonna do is I am gonna go ahead and get one. I think I like this one. I'm gonna get one and I'm gonna start it at $35, which is definitely more than I'd like to pay. Maybe I might lose a couple bucks, but I kind of feel like I might not, cause what? Well, a lot of the little knickknacks I was interested in were definitely a little bit higher than I'd like to pay, but never mind my stomach grumbling, embarrassing. I ended up picking up the little pumpkin pin, which comes out to $2.25, and then the little trick-or-treat bags, which come out to like $4.50, I think. So there we go. Got a couple holes filled. Wait, I didn't see that noisemaker. Those Halloween noisemakers are usually pretty spendy. Yeah, that one says 45. Can't do that. 12 firm. This is such a cool postcard, but again, more than I'd like to pay. So I spent $225 in there. I filled some holes in some shows, but I still have so much more to go. I definitely do think I overpaid a little for this cat basket thing, but it was so epic that I kind of felt like I could not. So I'm not sure where I'm off to yet next. It's super hot out and it's way later than I anticipated, but I will see you guys when I get there.